Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala Rasul al-Kareem. My dear fellow Pakistanis, today we mark 1 year since Maarka-e-Haq, a defining moment in our national journey. It is not just a date on the calendar. It is a story of courage, unity, and unwavering resolve. A story where every soldier stood firm and every citizen stood behind them. On this day, I salute the bravery of our armed forces, our sons and daughters who rose with discipline and determination to defend our homeland. I also salute the people of Pakistan whose unity became our greatest strength, because when the nation stands as one, no force on earth can shake its foundations. Last year, when aggression was imposed upon us, Pakistan, under the leadership of Prime Minister Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, acted with calm resolve and moral clarity. Our response was measured, responsible, and precise, guided not by emotion but by principle. Operation Bunyanul Marsoos was more than a military success. Acting in accordance with the UN Charter, Pakistan exercised its inherent right of self-defense under the then General Syed Asim Munir, now Field Marshal and Chief of Defence Forces of Pakistan, delivering a determined, decisive, and proportionate response directed solely at the military installations of the aggressor. Under the command of Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, the Pakistan Air Force achieved notable operational successes, including the downing of multiple Indian fighter jets and the neutralization of key military targets. These facts remain well documented and beyond any dispute. Simultaneously, the Pakistan Navy, led by Admiral Naveed Ashraf, maintained full readiness to counter any aggression in the maritime domain. Through this collaborated and resolute response, Pakistan sent a clear and unambiguous message. Pakistan stands for peace, but it will never compromise on its dignity, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence. During this critical period, I, along with colleagues in the Foreign Office, undertook an active diplomatic outreach, effectively presenting Pakistan's position on bilateral and global platforms, reinforcing international understanding of Pakistan's lawful and restrained response. The events of last year also remind us that lasting peace in South Asia cannot be achieved without addressing the core issues, foremost among them the just resolution of Jammu and Kashmir in accordance with UN Security Council resolutions and the aspirations of its people. Pakistan remains committed to regional peace and stability. We believe in dialogue, in diplomacy, and in resolving disputes through justice and mutual respect. At the same time, we reaffirm that any threat to our homeland will be met with national unity, unshakable resolve, and strength through all means available. The anniversary of Maarka-e-Haq is not only about remembering the past, it is about shaping the future, a future where Pakistan is strong not just in defense but also in economy, education, and all social sectors. A future where our youth lead with confidence and our nation rises with dignity among the comity of nations. Let this day renew our collective pledge to stand united, to reject division, to work tirelessly for a peaceful and prosperous Pakistan, because the spirit of Maarka-e-Haq lives not just in our history or on calendar, but also in our hearts now and forever, inshallah. Pakistan Zindabad.